the really smart players who are doing things related to mobile are really focused on experience first and trying to create and design an amazing experience for candidates, for consumers. And then secondly, they're looking at how then do I bring that to life with technology. And the smart ones who are really doing this are already creating much higher expectations, and there are a lot of companies who are doing this. And so one of the things that's already changed with mobile usage is that we're starting to see that it's no longer the case that people are just using their mobile devices when that's all they have, like when they're on the go. So typically, you know, in the past we thought about mobile experiences as somebody's using their phone when they're on the bus going to work, when they're standing in line waiting for lunch, things like that. And that's no longer the case. The experiences that are happening across mobile devices are getting so good for many apps and for many mobile websites that now we're seeing this stat reported by HBR just in the last few weeks, that 68% of mobile device usage is actually happening at home. So this is when users have a computer available, they're in fact choosing to use their mobile device because the experience there they're finding is in a lot of ways actually better than what they might get from a desktop computer. And then related to that, there's actually a growing number of users who in fact only access the web from a mobile device. Some of this are folks who are, you know, like lower income, but there's many folks who are just simply choosing to use mobile devices because the experiences are so good. Many folks are finding that when their desktop computer or laptop dies, that they can replace everything that they do with a less expensive tablet. And in some cases, they're actually spending just as much on a tablet, but they find that it really just provides a better experience. And it's really just that focus. I didn't have a current stat on this. The last stat that I saw was early last year, I saw cited that about 25% of web users were mobile only. And I think that that's growing and probably a lot larger today. I think the big takeaway for everything, you know, going forward here is really going to be that if something doesn't work on mobile, it really doesn't work. There's a certain percentage of people that everybody wants to reach. You know, that's your audience of candidates and in the consumer world, consumers who are mobile only and who prefer to engage with brands on their mobile device. And that, you know, right now is a certain piece of the pie that's probably, I'm going to guess, in the 30 to 40% range, and it's growing every day. So to not have mobile experiences and to not have a great experience from, you know, whether it's your career site, applicant tracking system, any of the other touch points, emails that you engage with candidates, not have that work on mobile is going to seem broken to many people, and you're going to be cut off from a pretty large audience.